You know what's up right now, you know what I mean? Mr. Foot Players in the building, people. Hey, what on Samboni?
You? Don't know we never flat-footed.
Yeah, you never flat-footed.
Yeah, man, foot a play. How your foot stay?
Yeah, my foot alright, you know, my foot happy feet me have, you know, whereas on a Thursday my feet them fresh, you know. You understand? Fresh feet. You understand what I deal with? So Samboni, you know what I mean? People know you for the foot play, but you've been in the game a while now. Like a while. Yeah. You know what I mean? So you are going, you're going to tell me. School.
St. Mary's College.
Grew up. Where you grew up?
Golden Spring.
What kind of family?
Born in Westmoreland.
Born in Westmoreland.
Yeah.
Grew up at Golden Spring.
Yes.
Family. Mother and father, they are single parent. What kind of vibe?
Single parent.
Single parent, mommy?
Yeah, my mother do 90% of the maths.
Give me a little story right there, so.
Yeah, well, I don't know. My father a musician too, you know.
Yeah?
So I just I get the blessings in.
Yeah.
But I don't know the music thing, go.
Right.
He must have dead the house at them time that. So
Right.
he never there around me 100%. So and mommy my girl come say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she go
Link came one and a few times I watch him
I play
the guitar
and play
and
anything
catch a
like
vibe. Yeah, but
alright, so you move from there, so at what age? To Kingston or to Golden Spring?
well early, like 9-10.
9-10?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not too pioneer
So
business.
that come like a
But
Golden Spring.
what time that? What year that? About 90 what? Yeah, I mean.
That's about 93, 94.
Alright, 93, 94. So
Yeah, around the sun.
90s baby. So in the era Bujo and Killer and them things.
Yeah,
That's when you grew up in the music.
comes to them generally, I do it the real way.
Alright, so tell me inspiration then, you know. Who inspire you to get involved in the music and make you want to be an artist and all these things right now?
Well, I feel like I get the buzz from the old man side way.
Your father?
Although I'm not there, but I just the vibe for it from because we are used to do the office thing.
Yeah. You used to do the office thing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where you used to work? Talk to
I
me.
used to work at carnival agencies.
Yeah, what you used to do?
Yeah, but they don't know where receptionist up front there.
I lie. You used to answer the phone and say hello, good morning.
And we deal with the voice notes and stuff.
Alright. The message and them thing there.
Yeah, so we do everything. Versatile.
Right, somebody good for know. Well, I never know this boy and me a youth up on the street. All the while I hang out there, never say anything. You know me do a 9 to 5 one at the time.
Try the 9 to 5 and the music bug just bite.
And take you over the music side.
Yeah.
Alright.
I never like music and I follow it up, but
So
I
tell
bug
me.
just bite and move to it.
Alright, so tell me now, first recording.
You in Whiskey Davis, Warren Davis.
Alright, what was the song?
Throw your hands up.
Give me a little piece side.
Well, a little real hot girls, throw your hands up. For one man you got, throw your hands up. You know you never flop, just throw your hands up. Throw your hands, throw your hands.
And it was like, how long ago was the first song recorded? This song?
This time was like 2001, 2002.
Wow, boy, it's been a while.
Yeah.
yeah.
Try out for them for
You
sure.
put in the work.
Yeah.
Alright, so tell me now, the buzz. Where you get the first buzz? Because I know about Samboni.
Rubber bunks.
Exactly, that's what me know.
Rubber bunks.
Alright.
Rubber bunks, so you know, don't see. Yeah.
Alright, so how that come about? How you did that powering, how the energy they drop in, how you catch your vibes there?
Catch the vibes like Shaka Pow, me there one studio and Shaka Pow say I want to do a song with me.
Yeah.
So I have the right idea because them time I did a skate on a par with Manny Gooch and color them zin.
Big dancer.
So Manny Gooch, him have the rubber lock.
Yeah.
And I said, Booney. Zin and the whole color squad I said, yeah, are you for do this song, zin? So me never catch the inspiration yet. Till me buck Shaka Pow at the studio and Shaka Pow said, he want to do a dance song in a combination. So I just said it happened. I would have spiced the tune the same day.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm going to ready now, link Father Pow, drop it and everything, just kick off from this.
Alright.
Yeah.
But I know you have a song with Quick Cook. Tell me about that part, tell me about that link there.
The part now, when we do on a 007.
Alright, super high.
Super high.
Okay.
Super, give it the energy there.
What was the song?
Wind up feet for the girls.
Why the song they used to play in a dance though?
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Zin.
So Samboni, from then till now, you're there foot play. 2022, right? Foot play and you're in a wagwan right now, up and running in the dance hall and all them things there. And all these things, eh? So right now, tell me now, how you come up with foot play, what is success for foot play, and what foot play has done for you right now, where put your career and where, where make people see Samboni as and all of that. Tell me what.
Yeah, alright. Foot play now, Gabby Dan. A film dance.
Big dancer.
So I'm always a dancer to the intense. But it never have a name to it yet.
Okay, which intense was that? That was the...
Double clutcher.
Ah.
Yes. So the dance a trend, but it never have a name.
Yeah.
So him call me, them time them there in Florida. So him call me and say, Boy, him have the bad dance set to go on with some state. So I say, what me for call it? So I say, don't know my thing, a team language, I go, a foot play that, Foot play.
And it's from there, so it...
And him say, yeah, it work, DJ. I say, yeah, man, and a foot play, man. Oh, your foot stay.
Right,
And
so,
I just said, connect.
So who you record the song for?
Sassien, youth from Ochi.
Okay, that's the big producer from Ochi.
Sassien, yeah, one of the brightest star of Ochi.
Alright,
Production-wise.
Well, Bonnie, for the whole summer, everybody have foot play into the December year. And look like we got foot play into the new year.
Yeah, because you know what foot play do for me,
Yeah.
Foot play kind of give me the visibility there.
Right.
You understand? Who never used to play me as Zip start play me.
Real?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because you have people who play me once and never play me again, and then the song that they there for them catch on to.
Yeah.
But they want everybody catch on to and give me a strength, so we give thanks to that.
Alright, so what the next move from foot play right now?
Move them.
Now that people them hear Samboni, pay
Move
attention to Samboni, and what's in store?
We're going to boof them.
Alright, so both them are the new dance and the new song.
Yeah, we're going to boof them.
Alright, so you say me can teeth a little piece and give them?
Boof them.
Alright.
So you give me that, but that's it. This is Dancehall. Move them on down, yeah.
Move them out of the way with the new dance move. Move them out of the way since you now improve. Look how easy we move them. 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 Money in my pocket, you know, broke like it. The dance, I custom, I exercise, so fit. Move them on the dance floor like you don't know.
Boy, we have moved them, man. Boy, Samboni have moved down the play, people. I tell you, I have to go see the interview on YouTube because Samboni have bust the buff dance and look like him make all the dance, people. So, so Samboni is a good move. You said this is your upcoming single right now, Buff Them. And that's the move. So you're going to dip on the road and promote it with the dance.
Right, sure.
So all the video settings, okay? We never get a video for foot play, and I think you really did need a video for foot plays.
Did you get the video?
You get the video?
Yeah, the video was out from Shirley.
Alright.
You check the YouTube.
So you have to do some more promotion on Buff Them,
Yeah, definitely, man.
Yeah, into the 2023.
Double overtime.
Alright. So Samboni, you may say, give thanks to come pass through and I know what going on with the story.
Yeah.
And I know what going on with your career so far and what's, the plans for the future. You understand?
Yes.
So heal up some people and tell me what go on and make them know what go on and then you think I'm just buff them and move.
Yeah, you don't know, big up the whole hills.
Yeah.
I'm going to big up the whole street.
I'm see you there with a second.
And
Big up,
DJ
man.
Sean there.
Sean, man, you know the thing, man.
Don't know. Bad
Golden
selector.
Spring.
Yeah, the whole hills.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And for big up everybody at Zip.
Yeah.
Continue to give me the play them. You understand? If I get to play them, we can't make the national team.
Yeah, but more I just big up everybody out there.
Caps.
Because I know we alone are going to do it. More everybody.
Everybody.
To not just only
Local
self.
and abroad and
Yeah.
every station.
Alright.
You understand? Because you don't know in your live and via satellite, so you don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up everybody, man. A Samboni, you don't know.
Yeah.
Street guy, you don't know the thing, but.
Alright. So people, that was Samboni. Him buzzing right now, been buzzing since the year start. The whole foot play, everybody out there, foot player. Johnny Cool, me see I try foot
Yeah.
play and all these things.
And finally catch it at the last.
Yeah. Good to see I do some work and finally the thing happen, Samboni just go and keep up the good work.
Give thanks
I know
to
the
DJ.
thing go, hope you see you next year, come tell me what go on when they buy the Bentley and the pool house and the thing. Alright, my boss?
You!
Alright. Samboni, the both of them.
Look how easy we move them.